Hey G, it's Ella G. Hi guys! So, I'm finally back. Alam mo naman kung sino. Pero yun guys, sobrang saya ko kasi nakakapag-vlog na ako ng ganito, nakakapag-upload na ulit ako kasi the past month, the past week, the past years, joke lang. Sobrang busy lang talaga ng finals namin. Finally, it's done! I'm finally on my senior year, guys! And ngayon, nandito tayo ngayon sa Landers, kakapark ko lang. Because we're gonna get my favorite snack. Let's go! Super init, guys. So now, guys, we're on our way to grab some food first. I'm planning to buy Subway. Thank you, kuya. Dumaan din pala akong Lawson, guys. Tabi lang netong Subway. Kasi bumili ako ng boiled egg kasi gutom na rin ako. Actually, ngayon, guys, diet na talaga ako. Kasi yung grabe yung nag-gain ko na weight ng finals namin. Literal stress eating ako malala. Every day, every hour, every minute, every second of the day. Okay guys, I'm done eating and super busog kahit itlog pa lang yung kinain ko. But anyways, now we are going to an Airbnb. Okay. So, let's just appreciate kung gaano kaganda, kung gaano ka-retro vibes tong Airbnb na to. I just wanna say, super ganda. Let me give you a little tour. So, upon entering the room, syempre, I'm very safe dito. And yes, ako lang po mag-isa dito. And very safe ako kasi may coat yan. So, hindi ka basta-basta makakapasok. And here, pwede mo lagay yung mga jacket mo. And then, yung shoes sa ilalim. On your right, itong CR, guys. So, let's go. Look how clean and pretty the restroom. Included din yung shampoo, body wash, and conditioner. And super linis, guys. And sobrang bango. That's me. Hi! Labas ng CR, guys. Dito natin makikita yung napakagandang picture frames. I really love this wall, guys, kasi puno siya ng motivational quotes. And also, we have our kitchen area here na included din yung mga plates and all the kitchen stuff that we'll be needing. Tapos na tayo sa kitchen and living area. And now, my favorite part is the bed. So, here's my favorite part, guys. Kasi sobrang lambot ng higaan. And also, just look at the view, guys. I'll show you later. And of course, we have our TV right here. Hindi nyo makita. Pakita ko sa inyo. Actually, guys, I'm planning to watch The Crush. Start ko na siya sa bahay. Tutuloy ko na lang siya ngayon dito. And I forgot to tell you guys na meron din silang mga games dito. So, meron sila dito napakasikat na laro, which is the color game. Meron din silang foosball. Hindi ako familiar dito, guys. Parang ano lang siya. Dama. And meron din silang cards. Perfect to, guys, if may mga kasama kayong mga friends. Comfort cards. Actually, lagi ko itong nakikita sa TikTok. So, let's check nga. Kunyari kayong bumubulot, guys. For me. Kapag may pinagdadaanan ka, sino ang unang naiisip mong kakampi mo? Perfect to, guys, if you wanna know more about the person. This is perfect talaga. With comfort games and comfort room and the comfort bed and the comfort... And then, of course, hindi mawawala ang larong to. Jenga. And you know what's the best part? The view! Kaya ako lang mag-isa dito kasi may mga work and things ako na kailangan gawin around the area. So, this is a perfect stay for me. Napakaganda ng view natin dito sa area na to. Let's see kung ano pang maganap ko later. Okay guys, nagpalit na pala ako ng top kasi I want something comfy. And I forgot to tell you guys, dito pala ako nagsistay sa Calmara Staycation dito sa Azure. By the way, I'm eating my chobani. So guys, now ko lang pala na-realize na wala akong dalang oil. So my plan is mag-iikot mo tayo sa baba, maghahanap tayo ng oil. Magkano po? 70, 60. Got the goods!
이거 다 없으면 뭐? 자 위에서 수저로 딱 하면 되는.
Let's wash the dishes. So guys, uuwi na ako. It's currently 10 p.m. Ay, magte-10 pa lang pala. Napag-desisyon ko na uuwi na ako kasi ang dami ko na rin ginawa for today. Guys, wow.